Good morning, everyone. Guys, join me. Let's make a full breakfast. I have Milo here, Nigerian Milo. I came with my cup, with my spoon. So this morning, the breakfast is only for one person. Then we ask our children to eat their own. They have to go down to know their routine now. And this is picnic, powdered picnic. So we came with so they went to have a breakfast downstairs in their restaurant. Today they cooked fried eggs and the white yam. They ate it and said somehow pepperish, but it's anyway good. Yeah? So we asked for hot water, and they gave us pure hot water. You can see this is their hot water. My husband asked them yesterday that they like to drink coffee. If at all they will have hot water there. They said yes, they can give us hot water. So I'm drinking tea with mine. This is my cup of tea. And this morning I went downstairs because we didn't come with bread anywhere. I went downstairs to go and buy this bread, Love Bites, or Love Bites. I went to buy it, 2,000 naira one. I bought 2 of it. Because me, after eating this, I have to take it to my children because they like drinking with Nigerian tea, Milo and milk. Yeah, that is Nigerian tea. Yeah, the Nigerian tea and German tea is not the same. German have their own tea, the way of drinking. This is the picnic. This is how Nigerian. This is the foreign picnic. I got it in Nigeria. This is 1,000 naira. The one of Nigeria is 800. So this is the one I came with. But I'm not going to use it again because I have used the powdered picnic. You can see it here. So guys, join me. Let's have a breakfast with our Love Bite. After eating, now I will have to go to my kids' room and also give them the hot water to drink. Very sweet tea. Okay, let me just take you along. This is my breakfast this morning. Use good projects and good initiatives to attract investment capital from outside. I think that will go along. But again, it comes back to your point. How to manage all so guys. Years, decades. Very quickly, Nigeria bread is so sweet. Like you said, the markets are reacting globally already. People are selling off their long-term government bonds because of the politics on what should be sold in the China. So it's not how we say that. The people said before, people are reacting. Very important. This Love Bite is very sweet. Very nice bread. Let me know if you have tried it before. Nigeria have a lot of breads. And the Love Bite is among the best one. They made it with wheat flour, soya beans flour, corn flour, sugar, salt, milk, vegetable oil, EDC, butter, softener, and preservation. Okay. Made by Love Bite or Love Bite Foods Limited.
He's taking a share of NVIDIA, taking a share of AMD.
Can see it here.
Investments in microchip processors in China. The same Trump government wants to take.
So guys, I say I will take you along for my today activities. You guys know that I have German pass and also have Nigerian pass. I have dual citizenship, but my Nigerian passport is expired. I wanted to do it in Germany, but there's no time for that. Then I have to buy a visa. Almost all of us, 6 of us, had a visa to come back. So today I will be going to Nigerian embassy. Is it Nigerian embassy? Passport office, sorry, to go and renew my Nigerian my Nigerian passport. So I'm just trying to clean my face and make small up before I will go, guys. So I'm going to take you along today. Let's see how Nigerian passport office is going to treat us. As a Nigerian and also a German. Let's check how things are going to work out. So this will be the first number one why I am here in Owerri. And let's see, guys. So just finish cleaning my face now. I want to apply my freshener. It's my freshener. After that, I will apply my serum. And I serum before I apply my face cream. This is so loud. What is that? So my serum is done. Let me get my vitamin C oil. I get my vitamin C. My vitamin C brighter days. I apply this. Always whenever I want to apply my cream. So guys, I don't know how much they're going to charge me in passport office. I don't know how much to renew a Nigerian passport now. I don't really know how much. So now I'll go to my day cream. I don't know, when we are buying the visa, applying for the visa, they say that I need INI. Is it INI? Yes, I need INI, and my INI, I don't know the number again. I don't know where it is. I don't know the number. It is how it is. Even here in Nigeria now, I can't even use my bank account. I went to bank last 2 weeks when we are here newly. They said that I need my NIN to make my bank to function again, because since I'm in Germany, I'm not using my Nigeria bank account. So that means the bank is no more functioning. I can't transfer. I can pay in the money. I can pay in money, but I can't transfer, and I can't withdraw. But I can only send. So, and this is a primer. I just want to make up now. So I tried. They said I need an NIN. So they said I have to do it in the local government before I bring it. So I went to do it. They said for now the NIN is no more obtainable, that they want to bring another new one. So I said, what will I do now? So my husband account is what we are using since we came back. So what I'm going to do today is going to the passport office and check with my even that day they told me that I can use my Nigerian passport to get my bank functioning again. But that day I wasn't with it. I decided to leave it, and I can do it later. So I think today I have to do many of them today. If I can do the both today, I can do that if it's possible. So I can't say if it's possible. I pray that it will be possible for me to make my bank working again. Because this time around, if I thought it will start working, I'll be using it even when I'm in Germany. I'll be using it to do transaction, transfer, and so on, so that it will not be blocked again. That's what I'm going to do today. And now I'm trying to make my face look beautiful, look good, more better before I start going. So I'm using in makeup, I'm using the Mary Kay matte foundation, and this is color 140. I mix it with color 130 so that it can rhyme with my color. And I used a primer before applying my makeup. So I'll get to you when I finish my makeup, guys. Since we came back to Nigeria, the first week we came, it was raining like tomorrow no day, every day raining. And after some days it stopped and we entered the August break. If you're in Nigeria, you will understand what I mean by August break. August break, it simply means raining getting stopped and the sun begin to shine. And August break lasted for at least some days, like a week. And now, yeah, and now we are now enjoying summer again. So guys, sorry, my daughter came to ask something done. I've attended to her. So look at how my face looks now. And I think I will leave it this way. I will leave it this way. So guys, I'll be going with this hand-free gown. It will be easier for me, and I will be wearing slippers shoe. That is a Nigerian way. The first week we came to Nigeria, I was wearing canvas, guys, as an Europe guy, a Europe lady. They are calling me if I go to shopping. They will call me, canvas woman, come and buy something for us now. I say no, I have to buy something equivalent what Nigerians wear, so that they will not know that I come back. I don't want people to notice that I'm not living here with them, because if they notice that you are not living here with them, I'm sorry for your name, they're going to tell you the price of things. The price of things is going to be very costly for you. They're going to, if it's something they're going to say 1,000, they will say it's 3,000, and then allow you to price. And even if you price, he will now use the mind of Europe way to price like 1,500 or 2,000. Then they still cheat you. So, but you have to bring yourself, let them look like you look like them, and they look like you. And you speak this dialect, our Igbo dialect, you have to use it too. If you are in Lagos or you are in Abuja, blow your broken. Don't speak good English, so just blow your broken. Check how the environment is. What are they speaking? Try to blow it. When you blow it, nobody will cheat you. Okay? And let them not to know that you came back. If they do, oh God, they will ask you to bring their broad money and let them help you and eat it. So that is the secret. How to live here in Nigeria. You have to maintain and let them know that you are one of them, so that you are going to save some cash. If you show up that you came from abroad, believe you me, you're going to go empty. So that's the thing. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and let me know what you think. Have you made your passport in Nigeria before? Or what did they need from you? Let me know in the comment section, right?